YouTube friends, it's Victoria from Victoria Makes. Now today I'm going to do a Christmas craft. It's a decorative item for the table, you can give it as a gift as well, and it incorporates tin cans, foliage from outside. Ideally, if you can get some pine cone branches, ivy and candles, and anything decorative like decorative ribbons, then it's a really lovely gift. And basically you have tin cans, put them outside and let them rust. Yes, rust. Because it gives it a really nice decorative feature having a rusty can. You can use other items as well. You can use earthenware, terracotta plant pots for example. You could also use a pretty vase, anything decorative, a nice sort of pottery item. You could even do the same with a nice urn. So you could use all sorts of different things. But this one today, tin can, rusted, lots of foliage in there and a candle, tied with a pretty ribbon. So let's get crafting. Okay then, so what we've got is our tins, and hopefully you can see that they are quite rusted now. It would be good if you can get them even more rusty than that, it looks even better. If you don't want it rusty, you can use them nice and shiny and bright. It's entirely up to you what you'd like the final sort of look to be. I'm going to go with the rusted look. So basically you get your tin cans and then you start putting your foliage in. Right, with this one I want to put a very nice long red candle in. And what I would do, using your glue gun at first, stick a blob of glue at the bottom of the tin can in the inside and stick your candle in it. When the candle is burnt, one has to be careful of the foliage around it because obviously it could catch fire, so it's for decorative purposes really. It's not going to last that much, I'll take that out. Find a nice bit of red ribbon for this. Right, so I've got some ric-rac which I thought were quite nice around the tin on this one. So I just glue, stick it onto the tin, to this little holly as well, that's quite nice. And stick on there, and then bring it round. With a blob. And then chop it off. And then with this little tinsel, we've got some nice little holly leaves on it, so I'll just chop a few of these off and then use that around the parameter of the ric-rac as well. Stick it on, show you, keep it level. You can use anything really to make it all decorative. I think I'll go back and get some more and bulk it out a little bit more. Again, you could just bulk it up and put something else in there as well. So that's the two rusty tins. And then these are really nice as well, little tiny pots, and they're really cute. You can buy a bought bottle brush and pop it in there for a simple addition, and that makes it a little bit more upmarket, isn't it? And then add some kind of decorative feature on the side. So I'll use this bow that I was thinking about putting on the last craft. Just twist it down there, pop it in there, and then you've got a little bit more decoration on it. And there, like so. You could actually lift it up a little bit more. So put something in the bottom of it to raise it. If you bulk it up with something as well. And stick it down with a bit of glue inside, and then put a little dot on it. Fill it in with some Spanish moss. And glue gun down that to make it secure. Now I have this metal tray. It's got got 4 positions in to put bottles. I usually put little glass jars and tea lights in there for Christmas and have them lit with a bit of greenery around it. And simply tie a little bit of baker's twine and a little bow on the top. Okay. And we can put our little creations in. Just fill in with another Christmas tree. And there you go. I hope you agree. This craft's turned out a really pretty one. Simple to make. Don't use a lot of materials. Use as much greenery as you can get. Nice pine cones, as I said, if you can get them, pine trees, and just decorate it with what you've got around. You know, bows, any sort of red ribbon, green ribbon. Thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed the craft. More to come. Thanks a lot. Bye now.